beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys don't know me, hi, I'm Shweta. So today we are doing this look right here. It's a very basic makeup look for all of you guys who don't know makeup and don't have much makeup with you. So this is the one for you. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So here I'm using this Roxy Wet Wipes to clean my face. It's very important, you should remember this always. Before applying any makeup, please make sure that your face is clean. Now I'm using this Biotic Bio Cucumber Toner. I have actually converted into a spray bottle so that it's easy for me to spray. Now I'm just dabbing it into my skin, as you can see, and after that I'll let it sit for 10 minutes so that it will get absorbed. Now I'm going to use this Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. You should always remember that a primer actually creates a barrier between your skin and the makeup that you're using. So you should protect your skin first from all the harsh chemicals. You don't want breakouts, right? So primer is a must. I'm just letting it into my skin. Well done. Now I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, which has a brush with it. So I'm starting with the middle, as you can see. Just follow the natural line that you have. I'm just following that line and just darkening up my eyebrows. I'm not going to extend it anymore because I have hooded eyes. So for my hooded eyes, I'm not going to extend my tail, and it's very important because otherwise your eyes will look smaller. And also don't put much in the front side of your eyebrow because it makes it look more fake like and doesn't allow it to be more natural. So this is how I'm using. Also remember to brush your hairs in between your when you are doing your eyebrows, and the same goes with your left eyebrow. Try to make it symmetrical. Remember, always start with the middle because it gives a harsh look on your eyebrow if you start from the front side. I like to darken my middle part of my eyebrow, as you can see, middle part and the end a little bit, but I'm leaving the front part very light. I'm just giving it a line right here, as you can see. I'm just giving it a natural line that I have, and I just like it to be more natural kind of rather than fake like. You should always remember that for Indian skin tone, the dark brown color is the best. So don't use any black eyebrow pencil because that looks more doll like and all more fake. Always remember to brush your eyebrows thoroughly because to spread that product using a spoolie or the brush given. So I'm using this facial wipes to clean up the mess that I made, and also giving it a sharp line that actually makes your eyebrow look beautiful. Now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the right foundation shade is the most important thing that you need in your life. This Maybelline foundation is the holy grail of every beginner, and also for me it's a holy grail because it gives a good coverage. It's a medium coverage. Now I'm using this Maybelline Age Divine concealer and blending it under my eyes. Here I have used a compact powder of Blue Heaven. It's very important to use a compact powder for any beginner, because not beginners but also professionals use powder, but they do baking. Now you don't have to do baking, you just need to set your under eyes and your face, because you have used a cream product. So you should lock your makeup with the powder. It will help your makeup to last longer. I'm also using it on the eyes because there are some creams, otherwise I'm gonna get some fine lines. Now I'm gonna do the contour using the Savannah Colors bronzed palette using an angular bronzer brush, not so fluffy. Now I'm using this Tarte blush in the color Party. So as a beginner you should go for some neutral blushes. Don't go hype on the blush colors which is very much pigmented. It will make you look like a clown. I'm using that bronzer color, the same bronzer color on my eyes, because most of the beginners don't have eyeshadow, the perfect eyeshadow. So I would suggest to use a bronzer instead. It will help your eyes look bigger. It will give some depth to your eyes. And go with a circular motion. Always start at the outer corner of your eyes. Also go for a windshield method. So this is the windshield method. And also remember वो जो ब्रश को अपने आँखों पर दबाना नहीं है, मतलब you don't need to press it on your eyes. Just go slow, just slow with your free hands. Try to blend your makeup. Bronzer actually gives depth to your eyes, which doesn't actually look like you have makeup on or something. It gives a very natural look to your eyes. Now I am using these two highlighter colors from the same palette on my inner corner and the center of my eyes. Sorry for the faces that I'm making. Listen, it happens. सबका होता है, ठीक है? Using the lighter pearl shade from the same palette, I'm using it on the inner corner of my eyes. It will actually open up the eye and make your eye look bigger. Using it on my brow bone to catch some light. every makeup artist's favorite part is highlighter, because that actually gives you a good lift to your face. Now I'm using this gel eyeliner from Hilary Rhoda. You can use any eyeliner that you have. Most of the beginners actually have those Lakme eyeliners, so that is also great. But gel liner actually don't transfer to my upper lid, which happens with the liquid liners, and it's a very much problem for all the hooded eyes, because it transfers. Okay, it transfers, and that's the most irritating part. I'm using this gel liner now, but you can use anything you want. Makeup is up to your choice. I'm just extending it on my inner corners because it will look my eyes look more bigger. I'm using this Maybelline mascara. I'm using this iconic kajal on my upper waterline. There's a blooper coming soon. Wait for it. Ouch, that hurts. Yeah, so if you are not comfortable with this thing, don't go for it, or otherwise you're gonna stab your eyes, and you don't want to get blind because of this method. Now I'm using a flatter brush and taking the same bronzer color to go with my waterline, as you can see, under my eyes. It actually gives you a more natural kind of look, as you can see. Now I'm taking the highlighter, the best part of every makeup. It brings life to your makeup. Oh my god, that glow though. Woo! Use it on your bridge of your nose, use it on the point of your nose, and all the high points of your face, using this red lipstick, and voila, the makeup is done. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.